Across the globe, various industries are experiencing significant transformations due to advancements in AI and technology. Here are some notable examples. AI is reshaping healthcare by revolutionizing diagnostics, personalized medicine, and drug discovery. Imagine machine learning algorithms analyzing medical images, predicting patient outcomes, and even assisting in surgeries. In the finance and banking sector, AI plays a pivotal role in fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and credit scoring. But it's not just about automation. AI's ability to analyze vast data sets quickly offers valuable insights for risk management and personalized financial services. Agriculture is leveraging AI technologies like drones and machine learning algorithms for precision farming and automated harvesting, which is enhancing productivity and sustainability. The integration of AI, IoT, and automation, known as Industry 4.0, is also revolutionizing manufacturing. Think of predictive maintenance, quality control, and smart factories optimizing production processes. These examples represent just a glimpse of the industry impacted by AI and technological advancements. The widespread adoption of these technologies is not only reshaping business model, but also redefining the future of work and society.